Hello everyone, I'm Ilsa. I want to explain about link budget. Factors that affect link budget calculation. The first, operating frequency. Second, allocated spectrum. Third, link reliability. Fourth, physical system components. Fifth, flooding. And the last, difference between uplink and downlink. Okay, next, link budget concept. Link budget is the estimation of the power levels that need to be considered to ensure that the received signal level is greater than or equal to the threshold power level. The minimum received power required for the receiver system to operate properly according to the required quality. And all you can see the picture.
Basic link budget. To achieve the planning objective, follow the seed step. For a given signal quality, for example, voice with a BER of 10 to the power of -6. And for the closed modulation system, the calculator are the backward as follow. BER goes to a B over NO, then to C over N, then to the minimum RSL for the BER, then to system gain, and finally to transfer power PTX. To ensure part availability under fading at a fading margin, the formula is RSL with FM equally RSL for BER plus FM.
I will explain general link budget formula. System gain Fn plus LFS plus atmosphere plus LTX plus LRX plus GTX minus GRX. Fm is fading margin, LFS is free space path loss, atmosphere is rain loss, gas, cloud flow loss, LTX, LRX is feeder wave with transmission line losses, GTX, GRX is antenna gain. Like the picture on the side.
Next, this slide explains the link budget concept in a wireless communication system. Link budget calculates all signal gains and loss from the transmitter to the receiver. Multi-hop bit requirement. The total bit error rate is the summation of its hops bit error rate. For multimedia system, the bit error rate of its hops should be between 10 to the -11 and 10 to the -9. This ensures the system can maintain good audio and video quality. Receive power in dBm is equal to transmit power in dBm plus transmitter gain in dB plus receiver gain in dB. Minus transmitter loss, minus receiver loss, minus propagation loss, and minus fading margin. Gain component add, loss component subtract. So the signal remains usable at the receiver. Energy per bit to noise density ratio equals receive power in dBm plus 170 for dBm minus noise figure in dB plus total gain in dB minus 10 log bandwidth plus implementation margin in dB. This shows how strong the signal is compared to noise. Next slide. These slides show a case example of how link budget is applied in a wireless communication system. We begin from the transmitter side. Here we have PT, which stands for transmit power. This is the initial power before any gain or loss occurs. Then the signal pass through the transmitter feeder. This introduces feeder loss, written as LT. This value reduces the transmit power. Next, we add the transmitter antenna gain, GT. This becomes the EIRP, or effective isotropic radiate power. The total power radiated into the wireless medium. As the signal propagates through the air, it experiences propagation loss. This is LP, which depends on distance and environment condition. After traveling through the propagation channel, the signal reaches the receiver antenna. Here we apply receiver antenna gain, not SGR. However, before entering the receiver device, the signal again experiences feeder loss at the receiver side. This is LR, another reduction of signal power. In real wireless communication, fading also occurs. So, we include a fading margin labeled as FM to ensure that the signal remains reliable even with fluctuation. Finally, we obtain PR, the received signal power. The received signal must stay above the sensitivity threshold. If PR is lower than the threshold, the receiver cannot decode the signal properly. At the noise level section, we have noise figure and noise spectral density. This parameter affects C or N ratio and EBN-NO, which determine signal quality over noise. So, this diagram shows every gain and loss the signal experience along its path. The main goal of link budget is to make sure that the received power remains above the threshold and provide reliable communication quality.